Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to split cells in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to split cell, so in this video you will learn how to do it. Here you will see this cell. Okay, so here you will see year 2021, 22 and 23, and here you will see all the products. So I want to split this cell into year and product. Okay, so how to do it? Here you have to just click on the cell. Okay, now right click here, then here you will see format cell option, click on it. Okay, then here you will see border option, click on this border, and then here you will see this is the, so you can split like this and or you can split like this. Okay, so I want to split like this. Okay, now click on it and then click on OK. Now you will see it is splitted. Now if you want to add the name, so what you have to do, so first I will add here year. Okay, then you have to press alt and enter. Okay, so if you are using Windows you have to press alt and Windows. If you are using MacBook you have to press option and enter. Okay, like this, and then here I will type product. Okay, now you have to move the year here. Okay, now click anywhere. So like this you can split a cell in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.